This is a 2009 Ford Fusion. It has a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped shift knob, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 23,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.